The Sengtre Lanki Kinthay Madan and Right Laban, in partnership with the Social Welfare Department of the Meghalaya government, yesterday organized an awareness program on the prevention of alcohol and drug abuse. Addressing the event, Deputy Superintendent of Police City, J.W. Soothing, said that peer influence is a primary reason where individuals get drawn to the drugs or alcohol. He also stressed that combating drug abuse requires collective effort and cooperation, urging everyone to support the police by serving as witness during raids.
The reason why people do drugs or why they get attracted to alcohol is for reasons that there might be some friends among your group who are into using drugs or using alcohol, or maybe your group, as a group, you start developing a curiosity that, okay, let's try and see how it is. But then again, you should be careful. You should select the friends that you have. You should select the group circle that you have.
Donald Rimbai, who claimed ownership